Good morning, guys. So today's video is actually going to be very different. I am going to be looking at apartments with my friend Ratoya, who also has a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go pick her up right now, and we're gonna be going to Glendale to look at apartments today. I think Glendale's a nice area. Glendale is just north of Los Angeles. Very pretty area. But if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and make sure you turn those post notifications on, and let's get started. Hey guys, so like I said, I was picking up my friend Ratoya. Hi! She has a YouTube channel too. We've actually been friends before I knew she had a YouTube channel, so this isn't like a fake collaboration. Like, we're actually friends. We're going to go look at apartments like I told you guys. So Ratoya's gonna have a different video on her channel, so make sure you guys go and check it out. Right now we are in Glendale, about to check out the Onyx apartment.
Well, there's a club in Dallas, a strip club, and it's got the same name.
She's like,
and we call it Onyx.
I posted a video of why I think you guys should not move to LA. Ratoya is not an LA native, so
yeah.
This is gonna be an interesting perspective.
I don't even know how to make hot
Money in? Oh wow. Technology.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Just one out of the two that we have.
Okay. Very nice. Oh, cubbies. I like cubbies. Oh wow. Whole nother. Wow. Oh, are these the No. Okay, I was about to scream. Wow, these are still nice though, the bikes. I thought it was the Peloton.
For you to use.
Do you put a deposit down to use it?
If
Like
you wanted to rent it out for your own space, for a
Okay.
gathering or a meeting, yes, it's get it up to 5 hours, $150.
Oh wow, per hour or all
Just
five?
for the 5, up to 5.
Wow.
Whether it's 1 or 5 hours, it's $150.
Yeah.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
And my donkeys are with you. Like, anybody can turn it on, or employees turn it on. Okay.
Oh wow. Oh, lights. Okay. Oh wow, they even have the TRX. Oh, so I can cancel your gym membership. Oh wow, I bet this is really pretty. Is it? Yeah, there are lights, right, at night? Oh wow, this is so pretty. Sorry. Yeah. Oh wow, it has like the loft vibe.
And this is the 791 square feet.
I love this window. Oh, balcony. Mm-hmm.
Like the pool is jumping.
Yeah, you just come out and look. Oh, look at that backsplash. I know, right? It gives me like hotel vibes. Permanent space. Ooh, look at this mirror for doing your makeup. And you have a whole nother cabinet over here too. The bathroom is so crucial. Oh my gosh, I would have so many products in there.
That's deep.
Yeah. Wow, they did a really good job with the space. Wow. And the full walk-in closet. And then bedroom. Bedroom's a little small, but less is more sometimes.
I'm hardly ever in my bedroom.
Yeah, same.
So I'm not too pressed.
Or sometimes a lot of places, or I think the new like thing is to like not even have a dresser, like just plants. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. This is like all you need. Oh wow, I'm a sucker for deep sinks. Yes. Because you can like hide your dishes, so like guests don't know. Oh, that backsplash is everything. Very cute.
Oh, and you know what? This is what I wanted to see too, like how well you could see in
Oh.
This is a 613. This is a 732 square feet.
This one makes it feel, this one feels bigger.
Right? And then you have a closet.
Oh, I love the bar. Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
And you're on the top floor, and then the balcony is just all yours. There's no one next to you.
Wow. Yeah, this one is it.
Yeah, I like this layout better.
Oh, this one, oh, it has a his and her closet. Okay. And the bathroom's more or less the same. Yeah. Okay. Is the dryer behind the door again?
Your units a little bit. That's why I want to show you both.
Yeah, they're unique. Yeah.
This one has two closets. Some space there. But the difference between this one and the other one is the living room is a little bit smaller, but they gave you more space with a closet, and then they have a washer out here.
Oh, this is everything because you have the mountain view. Oh, how cute. Okay.
Choco would never.
I know, right? Beautiful views. The views. I'm like, I hear the helicopter, I just don't see it.
Okay, so first of all, let's talk about.
I was like,
Should I say her name or should I not say her name?
no, you said the manager.
The manager was really
Or
nice.
tour guide. I don't know if she's the manager.
Okay, the employee who gave us the tour was really nice.
This is on the corner of Central and California, just so I remember.
And I could tell that it was genuine niceness because when we were touring and we were seeing guests, like they were happy to see her. Like they were speaking to her. She remembered like people's dogs' names.
Yeah, she knew the kids' names. Yeah.
So it felt like she was really just genuinely nice and cares about the tenants. So I liked that. Now, let's talk about the amenities before we talk.
The price?
Yeah.
Okay. The amenities were nice, but to be honest, it wasn't anything new for California. Like, if you're gonna be paying that much money, like, you need the amenities to be on point. I've toured a lot of apartments, so I kind of know like what is nice and what's like really, really nice, and that was just nice.
Yeah, the pool was actually small. The pool being heated was nice, but it was fairly small if you ask me.
It reminded me of Tao. If you guys watch my Vegas videos, picture Tao's pool.
And then the what do you call them? The sky
deck.
Really nice views.
Yeah, nice views. The interior design was on point, so that's what like it's pretty much like a must, I feel, when you are charging that much. Like,
yeah,
your interior design needs to be on point.
Yeah. What
I
other
wasn't
amenities?
really wowed.
Yeah, I never felt wow. And the apartment, I preferred the layout of the second one.
And it was smaller.
And it was the smaller one. I really didn't like the elongated living room. Is this it?
I don't know, but I want the parking spot.
Oh. I didn't like the elongated living room of the first one. I can't really tell you why. My eyeballs just didn't enjoy it. But I liked the one that was more like rectangular. Like,
yeah, like the
the other one was rectangle too. I know my shapes.
The one like where you walked in and the
kitchen was right there.
was like open. It was a bigger space for the kitchen, and you always want more space in your kitchen.
Yeah. The bedroom really small.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, I don't spend much time in my bedroom, but still, it was really small.
Yeah. What else? Okay, what do you rate it?
On what's the scale? To 5?
Yeah. never said the price.
Yeah, and that's what's lowering the rating for me is the price.
Okay, so you guys, we need you to comment down below and guess right now before we say it. Comment down below and guess the price. As I pull it up on my phone because I want it to be exact. Okay.
I'm drinking hot chocolate, by the way.
Oh, I can. For the one that we liked, the price is $2,591. So $2,600 a month for that.
Listen.
I mean, I think it's what you're looking for, right? You gotta give me a little more sun.
I don't know how to do that.
So just move like maybe over here. Okay, we'll talk as we go.
Oh, there you are.
Okay, so it depends what you're looking for. Like if you're coming here and you have a nice job lined up and you're making what? 4K plus, I would say like 4 to 5K plus, then that's for you. But if you're coming here trying to pursue like YouTube,
acting, music,
yeah, or just get your foot in the door, like that's not it. I know it has like the Instagrammable features and you think like, oh, I'll be able to take pictures here, yada yada, like that is not it. There's so many places that you can go in LA period to take pictures, so don't let the interior design fool you for that price. That is my take on it.
I agree. That's really, really high.
Yeah,
I mean, cost of living is high out here anyways, but $2,500 for a 1-bedroom.
Granted, it is the location as well.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, let's walk and talk.
Okay.
Well, okay, so your final review.
I mean, that price is a no for me, so I'm rating it low, like a...
For me, I'll be a little nicer because I know that Glendale location, like the location is everything. So because of the location, washer and dryer, the gym, all of that, I'll give it a 3. But that price like definitely brings it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can agree on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go to Porto's and get some potato balls.
Yes, bye.
I think that's another thing. This place is really close to a Porto's, so that kind of like up and down.
No, I don't even remember how I found out that you had YouTube. Maybe from Instagram.
Yeah, probably Instagram.
Yeah.
But yeah, she was telling me how she has social media friends, and I was like, I don't know what that feels like.
I have people that I've been following on social media for years, and I'm like, yeah, my one friend, and we've never met in real life.
I cannot. So yeah.
But it's kind of odd because of the way they have the X.
Oh.
Like maybe it's Ani X?
I don't know.
And the strip club in Dallas is Onyx. So I'm calling it Onyx.
Alright, let's show you guys what we got.
Okay. He gave me 2. Because, yeah, this is mine. Now that I've sniffed it. I ordered 1 cheese roll. He gave me 2.
Amen.
Thanks.
Amen.
And you got an apple empanada.
I don't care if you touch it.
No. He gave you 2, Shannon.
Oh, you can have one.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, grab the cheese.
He gave you 2.
Okay.
And then deliciousness. I don't even know how to
you have to
open this.
unbox it like with class.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have no class. My apologies. Let's trade because then I don't know.
No, just like slowly. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Oh yeah, yum.
So what is this stuff? Those are the beef potato balls, and then
Beef potato balls, meat pie. Or is this the meat pie? No, that's meat pie.
no, that has to be the meat pie.
And that's yours.
And I got a chicken empanada.
Okay, let us eat. Okay, guys, I also got Porto's some drink. I'll put it on the screen. I got a iced dulce latte with almond milk. Gotta stay clear of that whole milk, guys.
I didn't get anything to drink. Food first.
There's so much like sugar syrup in here.
It is, or
It's
is
thick.
it?
There's a lot. I almost got Starbucks today too. I'm so happy I didn't.
This has peas and carrots in it.
Is it good, or does it taste like the canned kind? I don't think they would give us canned. This is the best thing ever.
I'm so sad. They usually have, well, no, they don't usually. Let me get like a corner that doesn't have any beef in it. Like pinch that off.
Go ahead. That's a real friend right there.
Oh,